All right, guys, so things have changed here pretty quickly. We were going to go to the dyno. Unfortunately, man, we realized that we are out of time, so we ended up taking out the cams that were in the motor. We're going to put back the old cams just so I know exactly the power it made before. With the smaller turbo, with the old cams, I know, kind of sucks. We wanted to see what it was going to do, but the dyno guy was busy, didn't have time. So got to do what we got to do. So we're trying to fab up everything else we need to get the big turbo in. That is the real big turbo. HPT, of course. We have to mount the wastegate here. Trying to get the charge pipe work done. And then I already drilled it for the EGT bungs. That's already there. Also, the downpipe is all mocked up, ready to go as well. That's the old downpipe. This is the new one, and I'm waiting for an elbow to come. That should be here any day.